Hello everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today is going to be awesome. It's going to be a 3D print showcase. This one is of Minoboros Evolution. I believe, what is it? Theif Minoboros? Something along those lines. This is created by Logic on the WBO. Just going to pull it up. I did ask what credit they want. It is Logic on the WBO. Credit to them. The parts for this are 1B Quake. Yeah, not that bad at all. I did try my best, obviously, to color it and give it some detail, but you know, sometimes it can work, sometimes it cannot. But yeah, moving on from there, I guess check them out on the video. The parts are, yeah, 1B. I would take it apart. Should I? I'll weigh it complete so you can see it a bit better. You can see 0, 0. He's there. 63 grams in total. So I don't think that's like decent for a sparking bay. Yeah, we're gonna try this out against other sparking bays for this video, and that's it. I don't know, I really wanted to use this, and now I can. Let's first do a test launch. It's thick. It's a thick bay. Let's do it against the original, which I put Quake Dash on. I believe they also said they're working on a V2 of this, to my memory. This is pretty cool to see. Like how it was burst either way. Yeah, I like Minoboros. I like Minoboros. I like showcasing 3D prints too, when I am able to and if I'm interested. Just so I'm clear. Yeah, this thing can take a hit. This thing can take a hit. It got to the middle in terms of clicks. Not too bad. Only a little bit of paint smudging off. Well, now I don't know if it's because of Hyperion or what. Oh my god, big hit from Hyperion. Really knocked it off balance. Minoboros. I was gonna give it 1A, but they just put 1B, so I'm like, alright. Ooh, nice one from Hyperion. It's always cool seeing like obscure evolutions. Stuff you wouldn't expect. Cool, Minoboros. It was also a fun painting this too. The sparking chip core is already molded on there, so I couldn't really do anything there, but it doesn't really matter. Let's get Minoboros. Brave Valkyrie! This thing can take a hit from Brave. This is actually really cool. Oh, okay, I can just smudge this off. Oh, alright. Yeah, no, there was just paint getting on the thing, and I was like, what? No! Because I hate when I showcase something I painted, and then after this, the paint gets on. It really ruins the base, and then after I'm like, oh yeah, I can just smudge it off. Alright, cool. Mirage Fafnir, the light launch. Oh! Cool. Fafnir, no! No, Fafnir, get the paint! Alright. Minoboros! Looks really cool. It's probably not going to be a Fafnir, just considering, but it is definitely giving Fafnir a lot of crazy hits. Alright, to end off this showcase, I would do it against Ragnarok. It'll beat Ragnarok, and I don't really want to do it against Kara. Do I do it against Curse Satan? Do I give Curse Satan that battle? Let me think. Fine, I'll do Curse Satan, but I don't want to... Actually, I can just do Curse and Glide at the same... Ooh, that's an interesting idea I just thought of. Okay, let's do Curse, and we're gonna do Glide at the same time. I'll show the white glide, doesn't really matter. Why don't you just love it when it's not hitting it? Let's try that again. Boy, it really gave it that uppercut. Sick. Alright, that's where we're gonna be ending it off. Alright. Final thoughts. Overall, cool. Like it. Yeah, no, that's it. Cool, like it. Yeah, that's I mean, that's pretty fair, you know. That is pretty fair. Alright, again, credits to Logic on the WBO for making of the Minoboros. Looks cool and everything. I don't really have any criticism. Alright, it's the 16. Check them out on the WBO, I guess. They have their own page of creations and everything. If you're wondering how I get my stuff printed, I do it through Shapeways. Not saying that because like I just use Shapeways. Shapeways obviously does cost quite a bit just to do any printing. Well, at least they get it to Canada, obviously. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I am trying to showcase more stuff, but when I can and when I'm able to actually have enough to do it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and hope you have an awesome, amazing day. Tell me your thoughts on Minoboros. What were your thoughts on Minoboros as a beta? Did you like it? And yeah, bye.